Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this session, we will discuss a previous CAT question, a question on trains. Here comes the question. Can you please pause the video, read the question, make an attempt and then continue watching this? Right. Train T leaves station X for station Y at 3 p.m. There are two places X and Y. Train T leaves X and goes towards Y at 3 p.m. Let us assume its speed is some a kilometers per hour. We are assuming the speed as some a kilometers per hour. Train S traveling at 3/4 of speed of T leaves Y for X at 4 p.m. So train S starts at Y and goes towards X at 3/4 of the speed of train A, that is 3/4 of a kilometers per hour. Now, but it starts at 4 p.m. Please remember, the first train started at 3 p.m. So by the time the second train started, the first train already traveled for 1 hour. In this 3 to 4 p.m. 1 hour time, what is the distance it traveled? It travels at a speed of 8 kilometers per hour, means in 1 hour it can travel 8 kilometers. In fact, 3 to 4, it is exactly 1 hour, means the distance is 8 kilometers. Let us say this is a point P. So the train T has reached a point P by 4 p.m. Now, train T is continuing its journey. Train S just started. They will be going towards each other and complete this gap. And where they met at Z. Students, at 4 p.m. train T is at P, train S is at Y. Till they cross each other, they travel for equal time. So the distances they traveled, that is PZ is to ZY, will be equal to the ratio of the speeds, because the ratio of the distance is nothing but ratio of the speeds. What is the ratio of this? What is the speed of TA? What is the speed of S 3/4A? If you see here, this is nothing but 4:3. So PZ is to ZY is 4:3. But you know this YZ is how much? The question says the distance between X and Z is 3/5 of that between X and Y. Suppose if this entire distance is D, this XZ is 3/5 of D. If XZ is 3/5 of D, what is ZY will be 2/5 of D. If you know ZY is 2/5 of D, can you not find PZ? PZ is to ZY, how much you got? 2/5 of D equals to 4:3. If I multiply product of extremes, product of means 3 times of PZ equals to 4 into 2/5, 8/5D, or PZ equals to 3 comes this side, 8/15D. Students, this PZ is 8/15D and ZY is 2/5 of D. Now what is PY then? PY will be nothing but PZ plus ZY. PY is you got PZ you got 8/15D. PY is 8/15D. ZY is 2/5 of D, means 2/5 means can I write 6/15? It is 14/15 of D. If PY is 14/15 times of D, then what will be XP? We assumed the total distance to be D. So XP equals to total D minus 14/5 of D, that is nothing but D by 15. 15D minus 14D, D by 15. But you know XP is A kilometers. So D by 15 equals to A kilometers, means D equals to 15A kilometers. D equals to 15A kilometers. So the entire distance between X and Y, now I got it as 15A kilometers. And we are assuming that train T started at 8 kilometers per hour, means how much time it will take to go from X to Y, means distance by speed. Distance is 15A, speed is A, so AA gets cancelled. It will take 15 hours. So our answer is 15 hours, right? So here the key point is the ratio of distances traveled by them is nothing but the ratio of the speeds. You have, when the time is constant, ratio of distances is ratio of the speeds. If you apply this question can be answered easily. Thank you.